Yo, so we're about to head out to a photo shoot, another motorcycle type photo shoot. This one though is kind of inspired by artwork from the 70s and 80s in these magazines called Easy Rider. There was this famous painter, his name is David Mann, and he used to portray this like counterculture lifestyle and like motorcycle lifestyle in the magazines, and his paintings are really neat. So I'm gonna try to capture some of that today, get some of that inspiration from him, and we'll see if we can't make this happen. Let's go. Come on. Insane, dude. $10. Not bad. Made it to the meetup spot, which is actually a strip club. No, the model's not a stripper, but this is just a convenient middle point because we're going to be shooting on this like cool winding road, obviously the one that you guys just saw, and the whole scene is like a hitchhiker scene. Like pick up the pretty hitchhiker chick, and then you'll see, just follow along. So I guess I'll see you when she shows up. Yo, that's sick. Yo, that's actually like sick. Yeah. That was great. Yeah, dude, keep it. Hold that. It's riding. Shit. Oh, Lord. Okay, look at that. Oh, I like that. Approach back, good. That was cute. I really like that. Do that again. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, dude. That my spirit could kill. You know, I've seen a lot of people walking around with tombstones. Rotate just a little bit more degrees towards me. Right there, perfect. Remember, keep that tummy tight, you know it. Okay, hold it. Riding. Ready, shot. Yo, that was my favorite shot so far. Dude, that was sick. That was my favorite shot so far. It's a couple back. The hair bunched up, looks perfect with it. I feel great about it. I think we got plenty of pictures.
I think we got lots of good shots.
I think we do too. I can't wait to edit them. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to edit these, dude. This is gonna be rad.
You're always like my favorite.